Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. My name is Naomi Sarah, and today I just wanted to share a few things with you guys that really helped me through a really tough time in my life. So if you guys are interested, keep watching. 2020 was a rough year for me. I'm sure it was a rough year. I'm not sure. I know it was a rough year for a lot of people. A lot of deaths, a lot of sickness, a lot of breakups, a lot of change overall. So yeah, I recently went through a really tough breakup. Yeah, I guess I can tell you guys a bit more. So I was in a relationship for almost 12 years and it ended up ending very abruptly. It was devastating for me and it really took a lot out of me. I really had to kind of like get back to myself and figure out who I was as an individual, as myself. I had to figure out what I liked, what I wanted to do with my life. Now that it wasn't with this person, I really had to start from scratch, and it was really tough. It was tough to get through it, I can't lie, but when I think back at how far I've come in these past few months, it's actually amazing. And I still have a long way to go, obviously, but I just wanted to share with you guys a few things that I did pretty much daily that saved me, that saved my mind, my life, and just helped me to get to a bit of a better space. So the first thing that I started doing was to go outside for walks on a daily basis, just to clear my mind and to just like not think about what was actually going on in my life. And so I would go out at lunch in the snow, in the rain, in the blazing hot sun. Like, it didn't matter. I was going out every single day. I'd walk for about an hour, walk through the forest, walk down the path, walk along the water, and just either listen to music that helped me to feel better and to put me in a better mood, or I would just not listen to anything at all and just listen to the birds and the sounds of the waves or the wind blowing through the trees and just listen to myself and what's going on in my head. So that helped me immensely. I still do it up till this day. It helps me so much. It helps me to just like kind of get a break in my day from my regular routine, and it also really helps me to stay healthy and to move my body, you know. Plus it's awesome being outside in nature. I absolutely love it, and I can't believe I didn't do this before. Walking outside, number one tip. The number two thing that I started doing was to meditate on a regular basis. So back in January, I decided to do a 30-day meditation challenge, and oh my gosh, I can't believe how much even just like my mindset changed from day 1 to day 30. Like, wow, it was crazy. For me, I've always felt like I had a lot of stuff going on in my head, like a lot of chatter. If you guys are into astrology, I have a Gemini moon and I'm a Pisces sun. So can you guys imagine like all of the stuff going on in my head at all times? Like, it's ridiculous. So yeah, meditating really helped me to just calm down those inner voices in my head, and yeah, just to be present in the moment and just to not be so worried about things that I can't change. It also really helped me along in my spiritual journey. It helped me along with my manifesting abilities, I guess you could say. It just overall helped me to raise my vibration and to allow for better things to enter my life. Yeah, and for me to see things that I wasn't seeing before, to be okay with things that I wasn't okay with before, to let emotions and feelings out that I was always holding in so tight because I didn't want to let them out. I didn't want to experience them. I just wanted to like ignore them and just pretend like they didn't exist. So meditating helped me immensely with that. Yeah, if you guys have not tried meditating yet, it's pretty simple. There are so many different techniques that you can do. You can do a guided meditation. You can do meditation where you listen to a specific frequency for specific issues. Yeah, you can even just sit there, close your eyes for 5 minutes and just breathe. You can walk and meditate. You can like, I don't know, you can meditate so many different ways. So yeah, if you guys are interested in getting some of my playlists that I like to listen to for meditating, I'll leave them in the description box. And I can also link some awesome videos that I loved using when I would do my guided meditations. And I'll also link the 30-day challenge that I did. It was actually Leora Alexandra's series, and it was really, really awesome because she did journaling with us. She read like certain excerpts from a book that she was reading on meditation, and I actually really, really enjoyed it. And towards the end, honestly, I wasn't even following the videos anymore because I kind of got into the routine, and I would just write down my own thoughts in my journal about what I wanted to release, what I wanted my intention to be for that sit, and all that good stuff. So I'll link all that stuff in the description box for you guys if you want to try it out. The third thing that helped me so much was journaling. So like I said, kind of in my meditation story there, I've always had so much going on in my mind, and I've always had a hard time expressing it. I always had a hard time getting it out and feeling confident in what I wanted to say. So journaling helped me so much because anytime I was feeling a certain way, I would just go and write it down, and I would just, just blurt out my emotions onto the page, and I would leave it there. And it helped me to move through those negative emotions, move through the sadness, move through the feelings of betrayal, of like feeling like I'm not enough, like all that negative stuff. I would write it out, and I would look at how I felt and recognize certain patterns, certain cycles that kept on popping up in my life, why I was like attracted to certain people, why I would allow certain things to happen, why I wouldn't speak up for myself, like so many things. It just helped me immensely to self-reflect and to see what I was doing back then and how I can make sure it doesn't happen again in the future. Yeah, I absolutely love journaling. I bought this journal 4 years ago, and I filled out a couple pages, and within the last 6 or 7 months my journal is almost full. So yeah, I absolutely love my journal, and I totally recommend that you guys do it too if you are like me and have issues or like difficulties expressing yourself, or even like holding on to emotions. It can help you guys so much. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. So let me know in the comments below what some of your favorite things to do are, whether you guys like to meditate, to journal, to go out for walks, exercising, what kind of things you guys do to lift your moods and your spirits. I'd love to know, and I'm sure everyone else would love to know as well. So I really hope this video finds you well. Yeah, and if you guys enjoyed it, please consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!